are going to see optimization problem. Now look at the question. A company makes tablets. Each tablet is in the shape of a solid circular cylinder with the base radius is x millimeter and the height is h millimeter. Okay, so look at the figure. Okay, given that the volume of each tablet is 60 millimeter cube, express h in terms of x. Okay, now what is volume? Volume is pi r squared h. Volume of the cylinder pi r squared h. Here r is x, h is h. So volume is pi x squared h. But volume is 60. So what is h? 60 over pi x squared. Part A we finished. Okay, part B. So that the surface area of a tablet is given by A equal to 2 by x squared plus 120 over x. What is surface area of the cylinder? They didn't specify curved surface area. So if it is surface area, it is a total surface area. So 2 pi r h, this is a curved surface area, plus top and bottom area 2 pi r squared. Okay, so what is h? You substitute, instead of h, you substitute this one, 2 pi, r is x, we already know that, 2 pi x, h is 60 over pi x squared plus 2 pi x squared. Okay, simplify, pi cancel, x the square will be cancelled. So 120 over x plus 2 pi x squared. Okay. Question B also finished. Now what we want? Now question C, use the calculus to find the exact value of the for which x is stationary. Okay, stationary means dA by dx is equal to 0. Okay, first 120 over x, you can write it 120 x power minus 1, it will be a little better, 2 by x squared. Okay, so first stationary dA by dx, differentiate, first differentiate, dA by dx is equal to minus 120 x power minus 2 plus 4 pi x. How the 4 pi x came? 2 by and x squared, if you differentiate 2x, so 4 pi x. So dA by dx is equal to 0 means 4 pi x minus 120 x power minus 2, you can write minus 120 x squared equal to 0. 4 pi x is equal to 120 over x squared. So x is cube, cross multiply, x is cube is equal to 4 by x cube is equal to 120. X is cube equal to 120 over 4 pi. How to find the x value? You have to do (120 over 4 pi will be 30 over pi, right? (30 over pi power 1 over 3). So x is equal to 30 over pi power cubic root. What the value will come? 1 minute. Use the calculator. Find out 30 divided by pi. Answer power 1 divided by 3. 2 point x is equal to 2.121. Okay. Now see, you use the calculus to find the exact value of the for which x is stationary. We found out. Calculate the minimum value of a. Minimum value of a means you substitute 2.121. You substitute 2.121 in A formula. Where is the area? Area is equal to 120 over x plus 2 pi x squared. If you substitute, it comes 84.8 something. Okay. Now you just instead of x you substitute 2.121. Area is equal to 120 over x plus 2 by x squared. Wherever x is there, you substitute 2.121. Okay. Then whether it is so that this value a is minimum. Okay. How we can show it is minimum? If it is stationary, it can be maximum or minimum. If it is minimum, you have to second differentiate. That should be positive value. Okay, now area is equal to 120 over x power minus 1. If you differentiate d squared dA by dx, where is dA by dx is there? Minus 120. This you have to second differentiate. What will come? D squared a by dx squared. Okay, better I will write it in another this one. Okay. Differentiate d squared a by dx squared is equal to minus 120 times minus 2 x power minus 3 plus 4 pi. It will be 240 over x cube plus 4 pi. Okay, so x is radius, so it is always positive. 240 is positive, so 240 over x cube is positive, plus 4 pi is positive. D squared a by dx squared is positive. So if it is a second derivative is positive, dA by dx is equal to 0, that point x coordinate is minimum. So that this value of a is minimum because d squared a by dx squared. I once again repeat. Volume is equal to pi r squared h, cylinder volume. They have given 60. Instead of r, they have given x. So pi x squared 60 is equal to pi x squared h. What is h? I just rearrange. Say h as a subject. 60 over pi x squared. Okay. Now question A is finished. What is area? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Area is equal to, instead of h, in area there are two coordinates. There are two functions. R and h is there. We want only one. So I am removing h by what is called what we found already h expressed as x. So 2 pi instead of r x 2 pi x, or h is equal to 60 over pi x squared. Why we are doing? Because we want to eliminate h function. Eliminate h1. So 2 pi x times 60 over pi x squared. Pi will be cancelled, x over x. So 120 over x plus 2 pi x squared. Okay, that I little rearrange to simplify. 120 x to the power of minus 1 2 pi x squared. Okay, dA by dx is equal to 0. Minus 120 x power minus 2 by x squared. If I differentiate, it will be 4 pi x. Why I put dA by dx is equal to 0? Stationary point at always, it is stationary point, gradient is 0. Because you see, this is stationary point. Here this line gradient is always 0. Okay. So what happens? 4 by x is equal to 120 x squared. I just rearrange. X cube is equal to 120 over 4 by 30 over by. If it is x cube is there, we want only x value. So I'm doing cubic root in both the left hand side and right hand side. If I do cubic root, x 3 times 1 over 3 will be x power 1, 30 over pi power 3, 2.121. Area is equal to 120 over x plus pi x squared plus we finished. Okay, part C finished. Part C, use the calculator to find the x. Then part D, calculate the minimum value of A. Area is equal to dA by dx, 120 x power minus 1, 2 pi x squared. Calculate the minimum value of A. So what value you got it, you substitute there. When you are substituting 120 over x plus 2 pi x squared, I have already previously substituted and found out. It is 84.8, and then they are asking it should be minimum. This area is minimum because dA by dx is equal to 0 at maximum also. At minimum also this gradient is 0. Here also gradient is 0. A straight line always gradient is 0. Either it is maximum or it is minimum, it doesn't bother. But if you differentiate and if it is negative, then that is maximum. If it is positive, then it is minimum. Okay, this is for when negative happens. This is when positive happens. So again I am differentiating dA by dx. dA by dx is equal to minus 120 x power minus 2. It will become 240 over x cube. So 4 pi x will become 4 pi. So 240 over x cube plus 4 pi t squared A by dx squared is positive. So we proved. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch my other videos. See you there.